Is your HP laptop unable to connect with Wi-Fi, or the network is lagging? This guide will provide a series of solutions to get the laptop back online. Fix 1. Check if Wi-Fi is turned on. Open your computer's settings. Click on the Network and Internet option. Then check if the Wi-Fi switch is on. Fix 2. Reset network settings. Open your computer's settings. Click on the Network and Internet option. Click on Network Reset. Click Reset now. Later, your laptop will reboot, and you can check if its connectivity issues have been resolved. Fix 3. Run Network Troubleshooter. Open the Settings app in Windows. Click on Network and Internet option. And then click Network Troubleshooting. Follow the wizard's instructions to run the Network Troubleshooter. Take appropriate action based on the error results prompted. Fix 4. Update Windows OS. Before updating your OS, we suggest you back up your data or Windows to prevent file loss due to errors during the update process. Go to iSunshare.com. Download and install Clonego on your PC. Launch the software. Choose Backup in the left function menu. Select a partition to back up. Click Choose and choose a large enough partition to save the backup file. Click Start button. Click Yes to start backup. Hit OK when the backup process is finished. Now let's follow the steps to update Windows OS. Click Update and Security. Click the Download button to get the update file and then install it. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods.